welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about the remaining loops. So previously we learned about the for loop, and in this video we'll learn about the while and do while loop. Before moving into the loops, we'll learn about the GOTO statement. The GOTO statement transfers the control of the program to a specified label which is within the program. So this is the syntax. Go to label 1. Label 1 is the identifier name, and the control shifts to the identifier where hi is printed. Okay, while loop. While loop doesn't depend upon the number of iterations as the case of the for loop. The execution is terminated on the basis of the looping condition. So if the condition is true, the block code is executed, and when the condition is false, the control exits from the loop. Okay. Do while loop. The do while loop is similar to that of the while loop with only one difference. The statements inside the loop is executed at least once, and only after that the condition is checked. The condition is checked at the end of the do while loop. Okay. Okay, now we'll write a program using do while loop to print the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. Attaching to the stdio.h. Void main. I'm declaring the variable I. I'm initializing it to 1. Okay. Now we'll write do while loop. Going to print the value I. I need to increment it. So now at the end, we have to check the condition whether I is less than or equal to 10. Okay. So this is going to print the numbers from 1 to 10. Saving the code. Do while C source file. GPC do while.c while. See, the numbers from 1 to 10 has got printed. The main difference between while and do while is that the condition is checked at the end with the case of do while. So at least one time, even if the condition is wrong, at least one time the statements will get executed. We'll try that now. I'm initializing it to 11, but the condition is failed here actually. So the first time itself, it has to fail, but at least one time the number should be printed. Okay. I'm saving the code. I'll execute it again. See, at least one time it has got printed. Okay. Hope you are all clear with the concepts of looping, and I'll meet you all with the next topic in the next video. Thank you.